Hello students, today we will do numerical on Bresenham circle algorithm. Question is, there is a circle and its radius r equal to 10 units and its center is at origin. So, its coordinates are 0, 0. Now, we will plot here. This is x axis, this is y axis, it is the center of the circle and we will draw a circle. So, this is a circle and its center is 0, 0. So, in this figure we will write algorithm for this portion. Suppose there is a line, this is a line and it is making angle 45 degree. So, we will write algorithm for this portion. From positive y axis to this axis which is at 45 degree. If we are able to write algorithm for this portion, we can write the algorithm for the whole circle by reflection or symmetry. So, we will find out the coordinates of these points. X equal to 0, y equal to r equal to 10. We are writing coordinates of this point, it is 0, 10. And we will move in clockwise direction until this angle is 45 degree. So, first we will calculate P0 and its value is 3 minus 2r. If Pi less than 0, then xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1, yi plus 1 equal to yi, and pi plus 1 equal to pi plus 4 xi plus 6. Okay. If pi greater than equal to 0, xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1, yi plus 1 equal to yi minus 1. Pi plus 1 equal to pi plus 4 xi minus yi plus 10. Okay. So, this is a table in which these are the coordinates x, y, and we have to calculate p. This is x axis, this is y axis, and it is center, and this is circle. So, first we will write topmost point 0, 10, its position is 0, 10, it is 45 degree. So, first we will calculate P0. P0 formula is 3 minus 2r, 3 minus 2r, 3 minus 2 into 10 equal to minus 17. Okay. Now, it is minus 17, Pi is less than 0. If Pi is less than 0, then xi plus 1, next coordinate is xi plus 1. So, it will be 1, and yi plus 1 equal to yi, it will be 10. Now, we will calculate P1. Now, we will calculate Pi plus 1 equal to Pi plus 4xi plus 6. So, P1 equal to minus 17 plus 4 into 0 plus 6. It is Pi. Pi is minus 17, 4 into xi. So, 4 into xi this one plus 6. So, it will be minus 11. Again it is negative, Pi is less than 0. So, xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1. So, it will be 2, yi plus 1 equal to yi. There is no increment in y. So, it is 10, it will be 10. Then Pi plus 1, P2 equal to Pi, previous value is minus 11 plus 4 into xi. Xi is 1 plus 6 equal to minus 1. Again it is negative, Pi less than 0 negative. So, xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1. So, it will be 3, yi plus 1 equal to yi. There is no increment in yi. So, y will be 10, then P3, Pi plus 1 equal to Pi, previous value is minus 1 plus 4 into xi. Xi is 2 plus 6 equal to 13. Now, it is positive. Pi is positive greater than equal to 0. If Pi is positive, then xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1. So, it will be 4 and y I plus 1 equal to y I minus 1. Y I is 10. So, it will be 9. Then P4 equal to Pi plus 4 xi minus yi plus 10. Pi previous value is 13 plus 4 into previous value is 3 minus 10 plus 10 equal to minus 5. Now, it is negative. If it is negative, Pi is negative, then xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1. It will be 5 and yi plus 1 equal to yi. It will be 9. Then P5 equal to Pi is minus 5 plus 4 xi, 4 into this is xi 4 plus 6 equal to 17. Now, it is positive, Pi greater than equal to 0. So, xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1. It will be 6 and yi plus 1 equal to yi minus 1. It will be 8. Then P6 Pi plus 1 equal to Pi plus 4 xi minus yi plus 10. So, it is 17 plus 4 into xi minus yi, xi 5 minus 9, 5 minus 9 plus 10 equal to 11. It is positive. So, xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1, it is 7 and yi plus 1 equal to yi minus 1, it will be 7. When both coordinates are equal, then stop. So, we are calculating all coordinates from topmost point and we are coming to this side, and this is the coordinate 7, 7. So, we have find out coordinates in this region. Now, we will do second question. Second question is slightly different from the first question. So, this table will be part of second question, that is why I am not rubbing this one. I am writing question number 2. Question 2, there is a circle and its radius r equal to 10 units and center is 20, 30. So, there is a circle and its radius is 10, but center is different, which is 20, 30. Okay. So, this is x axis, this is y axis, and radius is 10 units, center is 20, 30. Suppose this is 20 and this is, suppose it is 30. So, center is somewhere here and its unit is, this is a circle. So, what we will do, first we will bring this circle to the origin. We will bring this circle to the origin. So, this is a circle and its center is 20, 30. So, what we will do? We will bring the center of this circle to the origin. This is center and we will start from topmost point. From this point, it is, we know it is 0, 10 and we will find the coordinates of this portion. We will move from positive y axis towards this axis which is at 45 degree. We will find these coordinates of the circle. So, we have done this in previous question and we can solve it like this. After getting these points, these are the coordinates of this section, we will translate back this circle to the original position and we will find out the coordinates of this circle from topmost position, from positive y axis to this axis which is at 45 degree. What we are doing? First, we are bring it at origin. After finding coordinates of this section, we have done it already here. Then we will translate it back to the original position. Then, after knowing the coordinates of this section from positive y axis to this axis which is at 45 degree, we can find out the coordinates of the remaining circle by symmetry or by reflection. Okay. So, I am writing here capital X equal to x plus x c and capital Y equal to y plus y c. To avoid confusion, I am writing it as y dash, it is y dash x dash x, and x y coordinates are the coordinates of this circle, and there is a circle at origin also. So, it is permanent circle, it is temporary circle. We are, again I am telling, we are bringing this circle to this position, finding the coordinates of this portion, and we now are back translating it to the original position. The coordinates are zero plus 20, this is x c y c. So, x is 0 plus x is 20, 0 plus 20 equal to 20, y equal to 10 plus y c plus 30 equal to 40, 20, 40. So, coordinate of topmost point is 20, 40. Next, equal to 1 plus 20 equal to 21 equal to 10 plus 30, 10 plus 30 equal to 40, then 2 plus 20 equal to 22, 10 plus 30 equal to 40, 3 plus 20 equal to 23, 10 plus 30, 10 plus 30 equal to 40, 4 plus 20 equal to 24, 9 plus 9, 9 plus 30 equal to 39, 5 plus 20 equal to 25, 9 plus 30 equal to 39, 6 plus 20, 6 plus 20 equal to 26, 8 plus 30 equal to 38, 7 plus 20 equal to 27, 7 plus 30 equal to 37. So, this was all about Bressenham circle algorithm. Thank you.